Struggle with making friends or building meaningful relationships? In this video, you'll discover practical tips and strategies for overcoming your social anxieties and developing strong, lasting friendships. From initiating conversations to finding common interests, this guide will equip you with the tools you need to cultivate a thriving social circle and improve your overall well-being. As human beings, we are social creatures, and having friends in our lives is crucial for our well-being. Making friends can be challenging, especially for those who are introverted or struggle with social anxiety. In this video, I will share some tips and insights on how to make friends, build lasting relationships, and overcome common obstacles that prevent us from forming meaningful connections with others. First, it's essential to understand that making friends is a process that takes time, effort, and patience. It's not something that happens overnight, and it's okay to feel nervous or unsure when meeting new people. The key is to be open-minded, friendly, and approachable. One of the best ways to make friends is to pursue activities and interests that you enjoy. Joining a club or group that shares your hobbies or passions is an excellent way to meet like-minded people who you can connect with on a deeper level. This not only helps you find people with similar interests, but also provides you with a shared activity to bond over. Another important aspect of making friends is to be a good listener. Often we focus too much on trying to impress others or talk about ourselves, but being a good listener is just as important. Show genuine interest in others by asking open-ended questions and actively listening to their responses. This will not only help you build a connection with others, but also help you learn more about them and their interests. It's also essential to be yourself when making friends. Don't try to be someone you're not, or pretend to like something just because you think it will impress others. Authenticity is key to forming genuine connections with others. People can sense when someone is being disingenuous. When meeting new people, it's essential to be respectful and considerate. Treat others how you would like to be treated, and be mindful of their feelings and boundaries. Don't pressure others into doing things they're not comfortable with, and always be mindful of cultural and social differences. Another common obstacle that prevents people from making friends is social anxiety. If you struggle with social anxiety, it's important to understand that it's a common experience and you're not alone. Some tips for managing social anxiety include practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation, challenging negative thoughts, and gradually exposing yourself to social situations. It's also important to seek support from others, whether that be through therapy or talking to a trusted friend or family member. Social anxiety can be challenging to overcome, but with the right support and tools, it's possible to build meaningful relationships with others. Lastly, it's important to remember that making friends is a two-way street. While it's important to put yourself out there and make an effort to connect with others, it's also important to recognize when a friendship isn't working out and to let it go. Not all friendships are meant to last, and that's okay. Focus on cultivating relationships with people who share your values, interests, and who make you feel good about yourself. Making friends can be a fulfilling and rewarding experience. Remember to stay true to yourself, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Be open to new experiences and perspectives, and actively seek out opportunities to meet new people. Whether it's through shared hobbies, volunteer work, or even online communities, there are countless ways to make connections with others. With a positive attitude and a willingness to put in the effort, you can build meaningful friendships that can last a lifetime. So go out there and make some new friends. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you.